Hi, welcome back. In the last tutorial, I was able to go through basics of Postgres, how to install, create a table, create a database, I query the table, alter the table, and etc. In this tutorial, I definitely meant it to do into how to connect to the database, but I actually realized that most of the things that I want to do in this app will not be able to scale up according to what probably I would have really loved you guys to know about setting up the app and etc. Instead, I'll be using this tutorial to do a simple thing, setting up the blueprints, setting up the application so that at least we set it into some scalable thing. In this process, I'll be able to integrate directory structure that best suit our app and be able to do some few stuff. So as we really link into this, let's take a look at how we can actually integrate folder structure and a few little stuff. That's all I'm gonna do. And the first thing, let me reduce this to something that you can actually use. So the font, I'm gonna go to my, so this is like my blog app. You can actually get this from my GitHub repo. I'll put the link in the description below. So I'm gonna create a folder. The folder will be called app. I'll go inside app, have a file called init. So the init file is usually just for the app initialization, since Python supports both absolute and relative imports, so we want to majorly work with relative imports. Then we'll have new folder here called API. Okay, and we're gonna have a new folder here, new file inside API called init.py as well. Inside here we're gonna have a new file. Okay, so it's like a new file much. So inside API we're gonna have a new folder here called version 1. So this is where we're gonna have a version 1 for the application. Then inside v1 we're gonna have a file called init.py as well. Then we're gonna transfer these views, move it. So we're gonna move this. So we're gonna move this. So we're gonna move it from to app. So app API and v1. Yes, so I'm gonna push it here, so it's like directly residing inside here now. So apart from that, we're gonna have v2, new folder v2. So you guys are gonna see how this is gonna work with us. And yeah, inside v2 as well, we're gonna change some few things. So we're gonna have a new file called init.py. So remember, each and every folder must have an init.py. So like some string thing. Okay, nice. Okay, we're gonna go back to app. Okay, it's not like another app, so we're gonna go up to back to app. Can I call this app? What can I call this really? Nice. I'm trying to think. Maybe if we can get to create a new folder here. Let's call this test. Inside this new file. Inside this new folder, v1. So this is just test that will contain in a v1. Inside v1 is where we want to send this our test to. So I'll move. I'm gonna move this and up tests v1. Okay. So nice. If you go to our test, we already have this one here. Inside here we also need to have your init file. So yeah, that's like super nice. You're just gonna close a lot of things here to make sure that our init is like automatic. So right now this is what we have in our directory. Like geez, a lot of things has changed here. I would like Just previously I had some few stuff here, but not like the normal here. So I'm gonna come back to my random PY, change a few stuff, and we're gonna see how this is gonna work. So allow me to come back here, copy a lot from here, not much. So just I'm gonna just say from up, import. Oh no. So from up, import, create app. So I don't have like this create app right now. So app is equals to create app. I'm pretty sure I'll get some time to explain for you what's going on, guys. I'm gonna go to this init and let me just finalize everything so that at least we're not like super lost on which init file we are actually working with. Yes, it's actually this init, so which is I just lost a lot of things here. I want to copy. Nice. So I'm come back here. From Flask import Flask, from Flask RESTful import API. But anyway, I want to integrate blueprints. So I honestly like only this. So I wanna use blueprints. Okay. So I'll be like importing blueprints here. In case you don't know how blueprints work, I'm gonna show you guys how I call this tutorial. So just go to Flask. Let's go to this. Sorry, my internet will be like a bit slow. But just come here, guys. It's not like something very hard. Scaling up. Modeling using blueprints. So if you just click it, it's gonna show you guys about everything. So I'm gonna use Flask inside here. So yeah, that's it. I'm not like really use a bunch of things here. Maybe just a few things. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna use a lot of it. So I'm gonna create a file called create app as a function. I'm gonna say app is equals to Flask name. So I'm gonna go to okay, it's pretty much simple, a bit different. So I'm gonna say from API, let me just like this, from API dot v1 import apologies guys, I have a lot of messages. From API import version 1 as v1, and I'm gonna say actually I don't like really need this one here. So app dot URL map dot script slashes. So this is to is equals to false. I'm gonna come and say app register blue. I should say, okay. Blueprint. I don't know whether it's on S or Nick, so this is text now take V1. Yeah. So I honestly don't need all this here. So, yeah. So far I only have version 1, so maybe that's what we're gonna use. So when you go to V1, I don't have models here, so oh jeez, okay, it's crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna essentially blueprints here from Flask. Dot blueprint. Okay, nice. I called it version 1, right? Version 1 is equals to, so okay, anyway, just be like blueprint API. So this is just the specific name. So I might just go name. It's automatic and URL prefix. Is equals to API. It's actually supposed to be like this. So, yeah. API v1. So yes, I'm just versioning my API. So API is equals to API, then this not text version 1. Oh shit. Version 1. So that's it. Then I'm just adding this bunch of tags and yeah. So just make sure that this is what I imported. So this is the basic and simple process of adding blueprints into our app. You don't like really have to do a lot of things. Just initialize blueprints, exploit it, generate register it, but actually select data that way coming into the app. So it's not like something crazily hard to do. I also believe like in this, you're also able to go ahead and read through the blueprints thing, so it's like super easy to implement. I am like a little bit stuck about that something, so I'm just using Flask RESTful here. Just confirm some few stuff. Yeah, Flask RESTful here. I don't know whether this will work. I'm so uneasy about this, but anyway, let's try this in. Let's go into our terminal. I'm gonna say quit and cd into umbrella workshop. This okay. So this ls cd into. Ooh, okay. I honestly doesn't know. I don't know, is it CP2? Ls? No, CD bank. I honestly doesn't like really know where my app is, so ls okay, let me just get this from I'm trying to figure out where my app is, where I can't like figure out find it. Okay. We have something called videos, so cd into videos. Plus, yeah, so cd into one. Plus, so this is where I am currently. I was expecting things to change here. Okay. This is that I was expecting a lot of things to change here. Like I don't expect this one outside here, so let's again. Like I still don't expect this to happen here, so Python run.py and it's gonna work. Oh, nice. So this is so it's like it means you're actually just in the right path. You just have your stuff. Nice. Okay, nice. So, okay. Okay. Some maybe a little bit stuffed up. Python always has this issues during importation. What did I name it? I'm trying to figure out. PI. Then v1, right? Yeah, nice. Should be having something wrong. But I have API as a package. So. Okay. So this might be a big thing. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. Not be able to know how to sort it. Okay. Trying to figure out stuff. Trying to figure out stuff. Why this is not happening? Because the truth is I have a module because I've actually done that. So let's make spelling API GCM, right? Nice. Oh, Jesus. Let me post this so that at least I can get a better understanding on WhatsApp. Okay, guys. So I actually realized that up here, me trying to this errors, my ENV wasn't yet activated, so that really had a huge impact. So I did this again, installing my V1. There's no module name V1, but then that's like I can definitely understand because as you can see, this is capital V, then this is a small v. So yes, so pretty much simple. If I run this now, oh no, it's not to be run. Which part is that? Okay, so this is this coming here. Not a button attribute run isn't there. So if I go here, so our applet has an attribute called run, so it's pretty much simple. Okay, we can actually come and say this. It doesn't have to be copy this. Set like something like this, and you can actually comment on this. Then it will definitely, or can actually say return up. It's pretty much simple sometimes. So if you do that again, yeah, so as you guys can see, our app is running, and that's all about setting blueprints. Yeah, and that's all about setting blueprints. And I don't know, let's catch up in the next video as I now dig much further into creating version 2 of this SEM and integrating database, establishing connections, and etc. Thank you guys, and see you guys. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe down below. Hit the notification button so that at least when I upload the next video, you get a notification on your YouTube or via email or via your Chrome extension. That's it all. Subscribe, check my blog, kenya-tech.com. See you through.